Welcome to this video on how not to be robbed online, digital security in practice. We'll be discussing essential steps to protect yourself in the digital world. Internet fraud is on the rise, and anyone can become a victim. The consequences of falling for a scam can include loss of money, identity theft, and loss of account access. Some of the most common scams include phishing through fake emails and text messages, fake online stores, investment scams, social media account takeovers, and fake technical support. Phishing involves messages pretending to be from banks or services like PayPal, often creating time pressure to trick you. They typically include links to fake sites and request sensitive information like passwords or card details. Be wary of fake shops and auctions. Look out for deals that seem too good to be true, missing company details or regulations, prepayment-only requirements, and suspicious ads on social media. Investment frauds often involve promises of guaranteed quick profits, especially with cryptocurrencies, Forex, or AI. Be skeptical of fake advisors and celebrities endorsing these schemes. On social media, watch out for suspicious messages from compromised friend accounts, requests for quick transfers or BLIK payments, and fake contests or links. Always confirm identity by phone. You can spot a scam by recognizing signs like time pressure, language errors, suspicious sender addresses, links inconsistent with the site name, and offers that are too good to be true. Follow these golden security rules. Do not click links and messages, do not provide passwords or codes, check the website address, and do not act under pressure. For passwords and logins, use a unique, strong, and long password for each service. Utilize password managers and enable multi-factor authentication for extra security. To ensure secure payments, avoid quick transfers and be cautious with BLIK. Use payment intermediaries and always verify the recipient's details before finalizing any transaction. If you fall victim to a scam, immediately contact your bank and change your passwords. Report the matter to the police and block any compromised documents or data. Good habits include keeping your system and browser updated, using antivirus programs, creating system backups, and maintaining a healthy level of skepticism regarding online requests. In summary, stay calm and vigilant. Check before you click on anything suspicious. Remember that security is a habit, requiring continuous effort. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe online. Remember, your safety depends on your habits. Follow safety rules daily.